It's Golden Assassin here. I don't know if you can hear me too well, but here we are on the cruise. Oh, that's just beautiful. On the left, you can see Sydney Opera House. On the right, you can see
should have got that one.
more towers. That is just beautiful. I still want to take a picture of that.
One time you need to do that. You go, I'm just gonna look.
Da 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 da. Okay, so yeah.
Oh, look at this fort bit there.
Oh,
You missed it.
no, I
You
saw
might be
it.
able to see it when you come around.
All right. Be a second. Tell you when we find something cool. There's the fort up there. There's the fort. You can see it. That's cool.
Opera House, and there's Fort Denison.
Yep, Fort
You can go
Denison.
out there.
There's the Opera House. Fort Denison. They used to make ships, warships, and train troops there. So they see me flying in my plane. Dang it! Now it's getting louder. Behind it, there's a chopper, and in front of that, there's a bird. So many flying things in this land. You have to go through a test. How many flying things can you think of? There's a plane, a bird, and a chopper right now. And the plane is turning. And it's coming towards us. That is cool. There it goes. It looks like a World War II plane on this.
They're the ones that land in the water. See,
Yeah.
it's got the
Yeah.
float.
Seaplane.
It's probably going to go land over there.
Alright. And here we are at the big bridge. Here's the big bridge. Ah. Alright.
See Luna Park in a
Tell you when we
minute.
get to Luna Park. They seem to be fixing up the bridge.
Ladies and gentlemen, when leaving the vessel, please stand well clear of the gangway while the crew secures the vessel. Always use the gangway safely. Never jump and do not lean over the rails. Before leaving the vessel, please ensure
Be a
you
sec.
have all of your personal items and take
Whoa.
their functions with you. Dispose of.
Where are we?
Oh, there it is.
There you go, people. Luna Park. This place was open a long time ago when my parents were little. It was open when you guys were little, wasn't it?
Yes, Daddy didn't live here when he
Luna Park Wharf. Loud random noises, weird scratches. There it is. Just be a sec. Woo. Getting more passengers. Heck yeah. Woo. Woo. There you can see the Ferris wheel, and there's only like a couple of people on the Ferris wheel. That's weird. And there's the big two things. Oh, it's so cool. Alright. Babies. Random babies. Yeah. And we're off.
Aisles are taken with construction and all parts. Life jackets are located under your seat in the storage sections under the center.
Bye, buddy.
And at the front of the vessel. If you are seated outside, life jackets are stored above the seat.
What?
In the event of an emergency, follow instructions from the crew.
I never knew there was a big castle there.
Anywhere on board the vessel. Thank you for your cooperation.
Be a second.
Maybe if you're extremely good, we can bring you and a friend down.
Awesome.
That would be some good behavior. It'd
Alright.
be very expensive to bring it down.
Yeah. And I'm gonna get a YouTube video of it if we do. Random
It's
signal.
not gonna be that good.
Yeah.
I don't know. It won't be this
September. There's even more stuff. Wow. Wow. Anyway, so we're going to Disneyland this September, and we're going to Disneyland and Universal Studios. So, yeah, that's gonna be way fun. And I'll get a YouTube video of the whole thing, right? See ya. Woo! Ran back, fixing up his fishing line. Ran back, fixing up his fishing line. Ran back, carrying a baby. Round his baby. Do do do, ran back, rolling round his baby. Do 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 do. Weird.
Silent down the middle.
Yeah.
That was where the convicts used to be.
Oh, that's cool. Random birds. The motor's so loud. Caution, submarine cable. We are living in a submarine. It's copyrighted, so I'm not gonna sing that. Yeah.
That one.
That's pretty good. Bad idea. Okay, yeah. Another plane. This one looks like a Qantas. Shout out to Qantas. Yeah. Not sponsored, though. Yeah. Convicts used to live here. Yeah. Yes.
On the other side is where they used to put them to work to make all the bricks that go around the island.
Huh. On the other side, they made convicts do work to make bricks. Yeah. Oh, they stopped. Maybe something's coming up. Maybe it's Jaws. A convict used to sleep on one of these rocks over here. And it's actually worn in, and you can see where it slept right there. That's just cool. That's just cool. Yeah. This is in HD! Ugh, so many planes. Ugh. And here's another stop. Whoa! A life boy. Misspelled. Life boy. They spelled it wrong. Baby. Cute baby. Woo. Nailed it, sir.
Getting off the next stop.
Aw, there's a mansion next to a yacht. That's just crazy. Look at that mansion. Ooh, no hut. That's cool. Old tree house. But seriously, that's like 2 mansions and like 2 cruise ships. I'm jealous. So many planes! Of course there'd be another big ship. Great. Where's the next planes then? Ugh. Bruh. Another plane. Another plane.
See what that means. What does that designation mean?
Wow. Another plane. I'm really sick and tired of these planes. The planes. Wait, you can't see it on this.
Give up money and pretty slim. It's going to have to be some legal thing.
Ladies and gentlemen,
That's weird, never
there are
mind.
2 stops in Darling Harbour.
But still.
The first stop we are
Getting
now
off the next
approaching
stop,
is the
son.
Darling Harbour
Okay.
Terminal. As
There it
customers
is.
requiring a ticket can purchase one from the ticket vending machine located on the wall. The exhibition and
Another
convention centre
boat.
should remain on board.
Another stupid plane. Another stupid plane. Yeah. So we're getting off of this place with a big Ferris wheel. Totally cool. Ooh, it's like a lighthouse boat. That's just cool. Jogging and jogging and jogging and jogging and jog. Okay. Woo. And then they all died. Just kidding, I actually have to get off the boat now. Oh. Bye-bye. Never mind, there's a pirate ship. just say that. Alright, well, see you guys later. Hope you enjoy. And I think something just died. Welcome. Goodbye. And I hope you enjoy the cruise, the ship visual.